Today another video is brought to you by Everyday Tech for today. Before we start, please make sure to hit that subscribe button and the one like so we get notified every single time we post a new video. Also, if you enjoyed this video, please smash that like button. It will encourage us to make more videos for you. Today's topic is our QuietComfort 35 wireless headphones 2 of Bose, and we're going to take a look at it, explore it like always. Shop with confidence. With a 90-day risk-free trial, free standard shipping and free return shipping while having customized headphones with shipping 2 to 3 weeks, you can shop with confidence. Also, the features the acoustic noise cancelling voice system, volume optimized EQ, voice prompts, clear calls, and a battery life up to 20 hours. Renowned noise cancelling headphones. So the QuietComfort 35 wireless headphones are engineered with renowned noise cancellation. With Google Assistant, Amazon Alexa built-in, you have an instant access to millions of songs, playlists, and more. So hands-free, you can simply choose your voice assistant and just ask away whatever you need to ask. Focus is on. What happens when you clear away the noisy distraction of the world? The concentration goes to the next level. You get to deeper into your music, your work, or whatever you want to focus on. That's the power of QuietComfort 35 wireless headphones too. You can put them on, get closer to what you're most passionate about. Property technology continuously monitors and measures outside noise and then cancel it with the opposite signal. But we didn't stop there. You can always adjust the level of noise cancelling between 3 levels to better fit your environment. And you can really focus on what matters because it cancels the outside environment noise. So you have more attention to what's happening in your ear, which is the sound that's playing. Bose plus what? Voice. Now you're talking with the QuietComfort 35 wireless headphones to are optimized for Amazon Alexa and the Google Assistant. That means you can enjoy entertainment, get information, and manage your day. All with your voice. Just whichever you choose, you are covered. You can also press and hold the action button for help, and there is still features that are world-class noise cancelling technology that blocks the noise and lets you lose yourself into the music. No voice assistant, no problem. So if you're not an Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant user, you just don't have to worry about anything. You can still use the action button to adjust your level of noise cancellation between these free settings, of course, like any other thing. The surrounding noise and the opposing signal shows a very good connection. The Alexandra cushion makes it quite comfortable for traveling in the day, and the impact resistant is designed to handle the life in the go. It also has a soft cushion air cup that will help you not understand you're having this thing on your ear. And the multifunction button. Don't use Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. You can just get your access on default voice like Siri. Corrosion resistant, so it has strong materials that make them built to last, while the action button acts as your voice assistant to adjust levels of noise cancelling. It was built for better. So when you want to take your music anywhere, you just need your headphones to keep up with. With the impact-resistant materials, grass-fed nylon, and corrosion-resistant stainless steel, they endure to survive life on the go. But when you take them everywhere and listen to them all day, they have to be comfortable. That's why the QC35 headband isn't just soft, it's luxurious, wrapped in Alexandra and self-covering materials using Yash and high-end automobiles. It provides welcome comfort, designed for all the listening, a pleasure cushion of manufacture from synthetic protein leather, so it won't even feel like you're wearing headphones at all. Those has up to 20 hours of battery life, so you can enjoy up to 20 hours of listen time, enough time to pour for its entire playlist, or you can keep your music quiet all day long. Also, when it's run out with only 15 minutes of charging, you have 2.5 more hours, so you have basically 22 hours, or almost better to say 23 hours. For that rate time, when you don't get caught without a battery, you can also include cable to plug it in and keep the music playing. as soon as you sang at any video volumes. You want a fullness clarity for your music, regardless of how loud it gets. That's why our drivers feature volume optimized EQ for even better performance than before. You can get clear audio performance at system that provides clear calls even in noisy environments. So when you're playing at the low volumes in the quiet office, you get the same constant quality, and when you need to turn it up on a busy street. A few icebreaker tips. You can use your voice just easy. You can ask Alexa or Google Assistant to help you at home, find your home, check the weather, and many other things that you can just explore with them. With Alexa, you can start with Alexa, play 90s pop, turn the volume, anything how's the weather and whatever. Also with the Google Assistant user, you can start with Hey Google, like play dinner on my Spotify, your playlist. Set timer for 30 minutes, olive oil added to my shopping list, and all of that. One app, complete control. So the Bose Connect app gives you easy access to everything your product has to offer. Tips, personal settings, spend more time there enjoying the music of leading next. So whether you're in an airport or library, you can also choose just how much you want to hear or don't by adjusting the levels of noise cancellation. And remember, sharing is caring, so you can connect two people's headphones at the same time to your app and they can listen to the same thing. You can download that from App Store or Google Play. Before buying, remember noise cancelling headphones. They can make travel easier and they can also make you more productive. The specs, the dimensions are below. When you buy the box, let's say you bought the box, what are you going to get? You're going to get the QC35 wireless headphones to USB charging audio cable and a carrying case. Before we go, please make sure to check out this Amazon link. You never know when you might end up buying your own. Plus the fact that if you check out this Amazon link, you can basically get more information, and it's also in the description box below, so you don't have to worry about catching it right now. Their says I use www.boost.com. We give them credit for their amazing work, and we hope that they invent more amazing things in the future. And yeah, that's it for today's video. So if you enjoyed it, please smash the like button. It will really encourage us to make more videos for you guys. If you have any comments about what you would like us to make later on, please let us know in the comments as well. And we'll all see you in the next video. Bye for now.
The Bose QuietComfort 35 wireless headphones are engineered with world-class noise cancellation, hassle-free wireless technology, and up to 20 hours of battery life. In this video, we'll help you unbox and set up your headphones. Let's start by carefully unpacking the carton. Lift up the tab to reveal the quick start guide and carrying case. Also inside the box are your safety instructions and warranty card. Unzip the carrying case to reveal your QuietComfort 35 headphones. You'll also find a USB charging cable and backup auxiliary cable. To charge your headphones, plug the small end of the USB cable into the USB port. Plug the other end into a computer that is powered on, or a 5-volt 1-amp USB wall charger. When charging, the battery indicator blinks amber. When the battery indicator changes to solid green, your battery is fully charged with up to 20 hours of wireless playtime. On the right side cup, you will see your power and Bluetooth switch. To power on, slide right until you see a green dot. On the right side of your headphones, you'll find plus and minus buttons to adjust the volume. Also the multifunction button, which is used to initiate play, pause, and other track controls. Even more details about the multifunction button are located in your owner's guide. Located on the left side of your headphones, you'll find the backup auxiliary port. Use this when connecting to a non-Bluetooth device or if your headphone battery is depleted. You'll also see the action button. You can choose one of 3 ways to use it. Adjust the levels of noise cancellation, activate the Google Assistant, or activate Amazon Alexa for voice commands and notifications. Now let's pair your headphones with your mobile device. First, slide the power and Bluetooth switch all the way right for 3 seconds until the Bluetooth indicator blinks blue. If you're wearing the headphones, you will hear,
"Ready to connect."
For the best experience, we recommend pairing via the Bose Connect app. Download it from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store and follow the on-screen instructions. Once paired, the Bluetooth indicator glows solid white, and a voice prompt announces the connected mobile device.
Connected to Nick's phone.
Now you're ready to enjoy your new QuietComfort 35 wireless headphones. For additional help, visit our website